Hello YouTubers! Tomorrow we will be drawing Jimin. Here's just a heads up, and we've got 5 out of the BTS guys complete so far. Before we go any further, please do like and subscribe, tick the box to be notified when new how to draw videos are made available, and that would be absolutely fantastic. There is now, I reckon, probably over 140 lessons in the playlist. The full how to draw playlist. It's just great. There's definitely 130 odd in there. It's just fantastic to be able to do this. Anyway, we have drawn Jimin and he will be online tomorrow, so get ready, and thank you for sharing everything. The comments on the video, again, if you check the link in the cards right now to the little slideshow of the people who have done loads of the drawings. Again, it's just been fantastic. I'll just put these little slideshows together every few months when people tag me on social media. So use the hashtag drawing with Billy if you want. You can also just tag me. Again, the info on social media is in the banner. It's just great to encourage you guys to draw. Thank you for sharing the videos. It's lovely that my channel is growing. Would like it to grow even more, which would be fantastic, but I'm just going to keep doing as much as I can. But again, Jimin is the 5th one. We have done SUGA and RM. They've been done already, and they are in. Before we go any further, we have Jungkook and we have V. So we've got left to do after this. We have Jin and J-Hope, and again, I will get to them and we'll get those finished, and then after that I'll do a Harry Potter, which will be fantastic to do. But again, check out the How to Draw Portraits playlist, because all of them are in there, and that's just lovely to be able to share with you how to draw these portraits. But also in the How to Draw Anything, again, there's the Harry Potter one, but in the How to Draw Anything video, I show you the most basic shapes, and you can use to draw anything from a bird, a bee, a flea, a tree, a horse, a house, or anything else. Again, it's just great to share and encourage you guys with your drawing. But anyway, thank you very, very much. Thank you for all the lovely comments and all you guys who shared your drawings with me. It's a pleasure to encourage you and help you, and that's fantastic. But anyway, get ready for Jimin. Share it like crazy, and the other guys with the BTS Army. That would be lovely. Anyway, take care and see you in the next drawing video. Ta-da.